So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So we're back with another video about Bitcoin, and today we're going to be talking about a new signal that's forming in the price of Bitcoin, and we're going to be looking at the charts and taking a look at how this new signal will affect the price of Bitcoin in the very near future. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Before we start, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So as you can see, I'm on tradingview.com and I'm on the Bitcoin USD chart right now, and we are currently on the 4-hour time frame. So if you can see, we have these annotations from earlier videos. So let me just take the sound because it could look a little bit confusing, and let's just talk about this main signal that we are here for currently. So this signal that we are currently seeing in Bitcoin is called the inverted head and shoulders signal. So what this basically is, that we have this original neckline of the whole pattern, and we can see that this neckline is touched multiple times throughout this pattern, and we have one point in the beginning that we can start from, and we can make a quick triangle from this pattern. And now again, this is just a rough estimate, we don't have to put exact prices, but this is the basic overview of what we are seeing. So this quick rectangle triangle being formed, and then we have a bigger triangle being formed again in the middle, and then next to it we have almost the same sized rectangle forming again. So we are seeing on the 4-hour time frame, and this is what we can expect from the upcoming time of this pattern. Now if we look at Google about what this has to say, now we already know that if we look at this, we are on a downtrend. We see the head and inverted head and shoulder, and we see a breakout. We're headed to the upside. Now this is seen in many ways that we can see right here, predicted many times right here, and you could do more and more research on this, whatever you want, but this is what the basic pattern of this looks like. And let's just take a look at this. We already know we were in a downtrend right here, and then we saw this pattern forming. We saw this triangles being formed, and we saw this basic overview. Now this might be not accurate, but this is just me trying to explain to you guys what that we are seeing in the market currently and what we could see in the upcoming times. So in the near future, what we are supposed to see, we are going to see something like this. So we will have a breakout from this very soon, because we have reached the almost the very end of this triangle, and then we will see a breakout to around the 44k range, and then we have to see a retest on this neckline right here originally, and then we will be here for quite a bit of time, and then we will see our bullish trend going on after that. Now this is proven because it has happened many times in history. Even if we look at that, we see any picture, we can see that we have this breakout from this inverted head and shoulder. We see a retest again, so that is a very important part of this current trend. We see the breakout, then we see the retest, then we go on to our bullish trend. Right here we can see a practical example of what this is. Downtrend, inverted head and shoulders, we see the breakout right here, and then as you can see, just quickly after the breakout, we see another retest at that neckline. So after we see that, we can continue on to our trend, and we can finish our bullish trend after what we are seeing right now. So this is possibly what could happen to the price of Bitcoin in the very near future, and we are to see these new patterns forming in this current signal that we are seeing, which is basically called the inverted head and shoulders, as we all looked at these examples that we are seeing for most of the part after we see this inverted head and shoulder, we see a breakout. This is the neckline, and then we retest the neckline again at some point throughout this signal, and then after we see the breakout, we see the retest, we are now headed to the bullish direction. So this is my prediction that what will happen in the very near future, and we are waiting for this to happen, and we are waiting for this breakout to happen so that we can get some really nice profits. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about a new pattern that's forming in the charts of Bitcoin right now, and what we are seeing happening in the charts on the 4-hour time frame, and we looked at what this pattern means and what we could possibly see in the upcoming future, and which way Bitcoin could head after this pattern is played out and after we get a breakout from this pattern. So we all talked about a practical, and we predicted which way Bitcoin is going to go. So if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto price movements, any recent price changes, and any recent news that we have seen in the crypto community. So do check that out daily on this channel. And I also create long form content on this channel, also talking about any new signal like this video. So we will keep you updated about what's happening in the cryptocurrency community and what's going on. So do make sure to tune in for that also. So that was it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.